Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your progress. Back up the entire saves folder so you can restore if needed. Next, launch Yandere Simulator and enable debug mode from options. Once done, press the debug toggle to reveal developer tools. Then open the persona or character editor inside the debug tools. This is where you will change persona traits directly. Do this now so you can edit without risk. This first step unlocks the controls you need to modify persona quickly and safely. With the persona editor open, select the target character slot and confirm you're editing the right profile. Now change core traits, tweak personality sliders, sanity, interests, and relationship flags. A small adjustment can drastically alter behavior, so proceed with moderation. Once values look right, use the preview or test scene inside the editor to watch behavior immediately. This helps you see how choices play out. If the test matches your goal, apply the changes. This middle stage is about refinement and verification. Finish by saving your edited persona to a new profile or exporting the config, which prevents accidental overwrite of originals. Then load a normal scene and observe behavior across several in-game days to ensure the persona performs as intended. If something goes wrong, strange AI, crashes, or missing dialogue, restore the backup you made, reopen the persona editor, and check for conflicting flags or extreme slider values. This single troubleshooting tip, restore then tweak, will get you back to a stable build quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.